What's up guys, welcome to the Internet Moola. In today's video I am going to show you how to download FL Studio 24 in your Windows laptop. So the first thing, open the link in the description below this video, and then it's gonna open up this website or web page. After that, if you have an FL Studio version, sign into your account and download the version from your personal account. If not, click try for free and then choose your Windows operating system and click download now. Or you can buy the producer version, which costs $179 with more than 94 instruments and effects. So let's go back and click download now. Put your email, and once the exe file is done, we're gonna install it in our Windows laptop. I already have a version here, so let's click on this one. So as you guys can see, we're gonna wait a few seconds. And then you just need to follow the process, so click yes. As you guys can see here, click next and then I agree. Once you do that, click next again. You can keep that as it is and click next. Choose the destination folder where you want to install the program FL Studio 24 and then click next. So all you have to do is follow the steps, and once you're done, you're gonna have FL Studio 2024 in your Windows laptop, and you can use it with no issues. So that's it for this video. If you like, please share with your friends, subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more tutorials, and don't forget to check our official website, theinternetmoola.com. See you guys on the next video.